Hey guys, today's video is going to be my September 2019 Boxycharm unboxing. I've been missing on YouTube. Yes, I know. It's because I have been focusing on Poshmark. I'm really growing my business on Poshmark. It's so much fun. My husband does it now too. It's seriously life-changing. I'm so glad I decided to dive into the reselling world because it is so much fun. That's where I've been. If you want to check out my Poshmark closet, I'll have a link down below. I got my Boxycharm in the mail and I'm like, I have to continue to do my Boxycharm videos because I've been doing them for 5 years now. I might look a little different. Do I look different? My hair is lighter, definitely. My grays are out of control at the moment. I'm trying to hide them. I have no face makeup on except for eyelashes. I was like hashtag bareface summer all summer. I wore foundation probably like 2 or 3 times, maybe 4 times. But yeah, for the most part, I just let my skin breathe, and that's what it's doing right now. It's breathing. Okay, Boxycharm is by far the best monthly subscription service ever. It's $21 a month. You get amazing products. I will have a link down below. I'll also link my Boxycharm unboxing playlist down below so you guys can check those videos out. Okay, the theme for this month is all access. All right. First thing is from Billion Dollar Brows. This is the Microblade Effect Brow Pen. This retails for $18. That looks like, oh, I can totally see the smudge. The smudge is like, oh, right there. You guys see that? Hold on. Next thing in the box is from Hank & Henry. Slick With It. It's a liquid eyeliner. It retails for $20. I've never heard of Hank & Henry. Have you guys ever heard of that brand? Never heard of it. It is an eyeliner with a vegan liquid formula that dries down to a satin matte finish. I have so many freaking black eyeliners. I always say you can never have too many black eyeliners, but it's official. I have too many black eyeliners. Next, we have some brushes from Royal & Langnickel. These are the Moda Pro 5-piece deluxe eye kit. This retails for $27.95. We've got 5 different brushes in here. There is a shade brush, a crease brush, a detail brush, a smudge brush, and a line brush. That's what those guys look like. I used to say you can never have too many brushes, but I have too many brushes now. Okay, we got something from Dr. Brandt. This is the Hyobiotic Recovery Sleeping Mask. Deeply hydrates and moisturizes to reduce redness and signs of irritation. Retails for $52. A hydrating recovery sleeping mask that balances skin's naturally occurring flora and locks in moisture overnight to reduce redness and soothe the signs of irritation. So, do I have redness? I don't really have redness. I have big pores and wrinkles. Wrinkles from tanning. Don't go tanning. Guys, I feel like I need to make a PSA. Don't go tanning. Don't smoke. Don't eat fast food. Don't like vape either, because that's not cool and we don't know like the long-term effects of it. So like, why would you risk it? Yeah, that's just my PSA. Don't go tanning. Don't smoke. What did I say? No fast food. And drinking too. Don't drink a lot. You can drink in moderation, but don't drink a lot, because that shit's not good for you. None of that shit is good for you. It's 2019. Like, why haven't we smartened up yet, guys? Why? Okay. Anyway, last product as it falls to the ground is a palette. Ooh, this guy's heavy. This is the Too Faced Natural Face Palette. Highlight, Blush, Bronzing, Veil Face Palette. This retails for $44. Pretty packaging. What's this? Is this instructions on how to use it? What is this? I guess it is. How to Glamour Guide. Oh yeah, it gives you some looks you can create. 1 look, 2 look, 3 looks. All right, and this is what the palette looks like. This is pretty. There we go. Let's open it up. Maybe, oh, it's magnetic. Okay. Ooh. Ugh. Why does it smell like that? Are they supposed to smell funny? Like cinnamon? Is that cinnamon that I smell? I don't know. It's gross. I don't like cinnamon. Are they supposed to smell? I don't know. Does it say like they smell? Does it say that they smell? It doesn't, but I noticed it right away when I opened it. These smell. To be honest, what am I gonna use? Definitely not that hot pink in the freaking middle up top. Oh, hell no. Maybe this guy, this guy, this guy, and that's it. Yeah, yeah. Ooh, maybe not the top. Wait, did I say the two top ones? Because this guy is a lot darker. No, I'll probably only use these two ones right here. Definitely only those two colors to highlight. But it's a pretty palette. Is it supposed to smell though? I don't know, that makes me scared to use it. Let me know if you guys got this and if yours smells as well. Because yeah, it definitely smells. It says, the expiration date says 12 months, so I don't know. I don't know how new this is. I don't think this is new. I don't like that smell. So that is it for my September 2019 Boxycharm unboxing. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below and let me know if you want to see videos on Poshmark. I'm thinking of doing like what sold videos. Comment down below and let me know if that's something that you guys want to see. Okay, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.